Good day, guys. Today I'm going to be looking at how you link an Excel file in a Word document, just as I promised from the last video. Last video, I remember looking at how to copy and paste a worksheet in a Word document as shown when printed, so you can click on that video and watch it if you haven't watched it before. Before I get into it, I'm going to remind you to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Like the video, share the video, and comment. Also, watch the ads. So how do we do that now? We have to first open the Excel file that we want to place in your Word document. So I have a chart here that was done previously that I want in my Word document, so that when I click on that link in my Word document, it takes me back to the Excel document. So once you have opened your Excel file, the next thing to do to get it linked to your Word document is to copy this first, the chart. In my case, you have to copy it first. You have to copy the chart first, and then you go over to your Word document, and then you're going to click on the drop down arrow for the paste option and then select paste special. It's a special kind of pasting that you're going to be doing. It's not a regular copy and paste thing that you're going to be doing. Then you click on the option that says paste link. If you notice, there are two options there, paste and paste link. You're going to be clicking on the option that says paste link. What are you pasting the link as? If you notice up the top here where my mouse pointer is swinging, it is saying as. You're pasting the link as a Microsoft Excel Word chart object, in this case. A Microsoft Excel chart object. So you're going to be clicking on that option, then select OK. So there you go. You can always click on it and resize it by clicking on the edge and dragging it in. You want to make it smaller in this case, so you drag it in. If you wanted to make it larger, you would drag it out. But in this case, we want it smaller, so we're dragging it in. So there you go. You have your Microsoft Excel chart in your Word document. So that is how you go about creating a link with an Excel file into a Microsoft Word document. Do you want us to test it? Yes, we can test it. To test it, you ensure that you click on the Excel file that you linked to your Word document, right click and select the option that says linked worksheet object. When you click on that option, you will see, or rather when you run your mouse pointer on that option, you will see edit link, open link, convert, and links. We want to open the link, so we're going to click on the option that says open link. And what did it do? It brought you right back to the Excel file. See, we're back into Excel. If you look at the top, you will see the green page and everything, sheet 1, sheet 4, etc., showing you that you are into your Microsoft Excel file. If you go again over to the Word document, right click, go to linked worksheet object, then open link, it will send you right back to your Excel file. So that is how you link an Excel file in a Word document. So if you do like a research and you're asked to, present some information, you can do it in this way by linking it. So whenever the person or whoever is marking your research paper click on the link in the Word document, it will take them to the original source. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. I'm going to remind you to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Like the video, share the video, comment if you have any questions, because of course, as usual, I want to hear from you. And I'm going to remind you to watch the ads for me, please. Thank you, guys.